This video is for installing Python on Ubuntu 17 and lower version. For this video, I am using Ubuntu 16. So let's start. So first of all, you need to check whether Python, which version of Python is installed in your system. So currently, I have installed on this box Python version 2.7.12. So if you want to work on this version, you can work like you can access Python. You need to write Python, so sudo Python. So this is how you can enter into Python and write your own any program whichever you want. To exit, you need to exit and bracket. So if you want to install Python 3, so you need to follow these process. So on 16, you need to install some supporting files, like install some registries. So repository, I mean to say, so this is one of the repository that it is called dead snacks repository, ppk repository. So first of all, you need to install it like this is the command. I'll give it this command in description so you can follow. So this is how it is going to install. Press enter, so you can see all okay. So it has installed, everything is installed. Now the second, there are some security updates or some updates regarding Ubuntu box, so you need to install that. So for that, this is the command sudo apt update. So you need to update it. See, everything is updated. It generally security patch or anything whichever is update need on these boxes, it will update. So like, see, you can see your box is up to date. Now next is sudo apt install python 3.x. so generally you can install python 3, and if you need other version, like you can install python.6 or python.x. so I am installing python.free.6. so it is down, it is asking, like you can see after this operation 2.3 MB of additional disk space will be used. So make sure at least this much disk should be free, though it require much more than that, but you need to have a look that at least it should have this much of this. So I am entering yes and enter. So it is downloading Python supporting file or Python binary and installing it. Like you can see, it is installation is done. I'll clear the screen. So it is clear. Now we need to see whether our Python 3 is installed or not. So like this, I can see, you can see it here. Earlier it was 2.2 some version was there. Now it is 3.5.2 version is there on your system. So if you want to enter into Python, like just this command, you need to write python 3. So you are into python 3. Now I'm writing a small few lines to print hello world. Enter. Yeah, see, you can print it through few lines. So if you want to exit in bracket, this is how you can exit. So I think it's pretty simple to install Python on Ubuntu